Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones AKG K361-BT with your PC. You have to start by click one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here you should click at Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth. Now right here at the left ear cup we have this slider, so slide up to turn on your headphones and it enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see it by this blinking LED light. Now we should see it at the device list. Click on it and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!